So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the makeup look which I'm gonna create. This is the summer makeup look. It looks very fresh, a little bit glam too, and I'm just in love with this look. You can just see how my makeup looks. It looks like really nice. I feel like it is so pretty. I'm in just love with this look, and it's very easy to do. It just takes 5 minutes to do it. It's just I'm gonna talk, so it was gonna take a little bit long. And yeah, and let's get started. So now I'm gonna start with the process. So sorry for this pimple which is really bad, just ignore it. And the first thing which I'm gonna use is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. This is the moisturizer which I'm gonna use. And yeah, so as I'm done with the moisturizer, I'm gonna use the Farsari Liquid Glass as my serum. It's an amazing product. I really love it. This was I think my first purchase. So now I'm gonna put this on my face. I don't know if you can see that glass effect because it's really hydrating to my skin, and it's an amazing product. Like, it's like a little bit thick obviously, but then it's awesome. It like you can see that glass effect on my face. So yeah. So now I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige, and I'm really sorry if I'm looking that side because like I can see myself and I just like get to know that if it's recording properly or no. So I'll just use this a little. And now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just blend everything out. Now I'm gonna take a lighter concealer, which is my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light. This is the product which I'm gonna use to make my eyes more bright. So as it's your own choice if you wanna do it. It has concealed my whole face, but I'll just use that at this point so that it brightens up more and it looks good. And yeah. So now I'm done with the concealer part. Now I'll jump into my foundation. This is the Fit Me foundation, normal to oily skin, and my shade is 128 Warm Nude. So this is my foundation which I'm gonna use for today. And it's your own choice if you want. Just don't want to put like the foundation, because now also my face looks really nice without no foundation, only with concealer. And you can just like blend it out a little bit more so that your full face looks proper. But I will like to go with the foundation, and I'll just put it. Now as I'm done with the foundation, I'm going to use the Fit Me loose powder. This is an amazing powder. It sets your face really nice. So I'll just use this a little bit. I used to use the what do you call the brush and just do it, but then I learned you should always use the sponge. Just dump it in it like this. You have to just dump it in it, and then just apply it on your face and just set your face. I'm going to do a little bit of baking, and the rest over which is left I'm just going to put on the whole face. So now I'm going to do my eyes. It will look really nice. So I don't want heavy eyes as I'm doing a summer look. So I'm just using the Huda Beauty Obsession palette. This is the palette. This one is my palette which I'm going to use. And in this I'm going to use this brown color for my eyes, and I just don't want it too heavy as it's a normal summer look, or else it will look really bad and will look over, and I don't want it to look over. So I'll just take it and just like do it a little bit of my eyes. So I'm done with one eye, and I'll just do the other eye. Now with this brush, I'm just gonna do it under my eye with the same color. Now I'll just do the other eye and get back to you. Yeah, no, so now as my baking is done and my eyes are done, I'll just remove it with this brush, whatever was for the baking, and remove the powder. My face just looks too set and looks really nice. So now I'm just gonna go with my mascara, which I'm gonna do. It's also from Maybelline. This is the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. And I'll just do a little bit of mascara. I love mascara because it just opens your eye up properly, and even if you don't do eyeshadow, your eyes look really nice. So if you're not even doing no makeup look, or if you're not even actually wearing any makeup, you can just use a mascara, lip balm, and just a little bit conceal your face. You'll be like done, and you can just go out and have fun. So mascara is really important, so I just do it. Now I'll just do the other eye, and you can just, I think, see the difference. What is the difference from this eye and this eye? So now I'll just do the other eye and get back to you. Yeah, so now as I'm done with my eyes, and now I'm gonna use the blush. This is the blush from K Beauty, which I'm gonna use. It's in the shade Coral Charm. It's an amazing, and the pigment is so nice. So I just like to take a little bit, not a lot, because it just like comes too much. And for summer, pink looks really nice because you look fresh. That's what I'm going to, and I'll just use it a little bit on both the cheeks. And if you want it a little bit light, what you can do, you can just take the beauty blender and just, you know, tap it a little bit, so it gets a little bit blended if you want that. So I'm just doing it a little bit. Then now I'm gonna jump into my bronzer. I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I got the mini one recently, and it's amazing, guys. I swear I'm not even lying. This step, if you want it, you can use it. It's not necessary that, oh, you have to do it. It's your own choice. I just like to do it a little bit so that it looks good. And yeah. So yeah, now I like to use the Master Comb highlighter. It's an amazing highlighter. So this is the highlighter, how it looks. It's an amazing, see, I'll just show it you. This is how it looks. It's so nice. And I'm just gonna put it, highlight my face and make it look nice. So I'll just go and now do my lips. I am thinking to do 2 shades. I am thinking to do actually this one. I'm gonna do this Nykaa. It's a very mini. I just wanted to try the shade. This is from Nykaa, and this is the shade Bombay. I just like to use it. So this is the lip shade I've done. It looks amazing. I'll just try to use a little bit of Huda Beauty. So I'll just try it and see, just make it look a little bit, you know, lighter because it's too dark. And this is how my makeup has turned out. So yeah, now you can see I've opened my hair and just combed it a little bit, how the makeup looks. I think it looks really nice. And I'm just in love with this look. I don't know, I'm just like so fond of it. So light, so pink, and not so much of makeup. I think it looks really nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video, comment below and share it, and subscribe to my channel. I love you.